This is Gala. Gala was designed for one thing and one thing only, to give you the best 3D printing experience. Gala is your opportunity to create big and useful objects. Gala is for everyone. We've designed it to be perfect for beginners, but also for professional users. Gala has all the features that you have ever dreamed of in a 3D printer. You don't need a computer to use Gala, just any device with a web browser or its own touchscreen. Gala has an onboard camera and auto bed leveling, and also has smart extrusion failure prevention. Gala is very social. She can tweet, YouTube, or Facebook your work. At Drotix, after a year of hard work, several hardware and software engineers, and consumer product designers, we've created the Gala 3D printer. We have a finished and very well tested prototype. Now we just need your help to manufacture them and deliver the best 3D printing experience that you have ever seen. Thank you for your support.